Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is one and more than one. Okay, so means one and more than one means one and many. When there is only one thing, then we say one, and when there is more than one thing, then we say many. Okay, so let me explain you with the help of one example. So kids, see, what is this? This is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, because this is only one in number, right? This is one ball. One ball. Now look here. 1, 2, 3. So these are more than one. More than one. So these are balls. Balls. So this is the difference in between these two. So what is the difference in between these two? This is ball and these are balls. So the difference is that we added S here. S. Okay. Because these are more than one in number. These are many. So we add S here. This is one ball, many balls. So we add S here. Ball, ball, balls, balls. Similarly, kids, just look at one more example. Pen. This is one pen. Pen. But if there are more than one pen, then we will say pens. What we say? Pens. See. Pens, right? Because there are many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are many. So we write here pens. We added S here. So this you have to learn, kids, that when there are more than one things, we add S. We add S. And when there is only one thing, we will not write S. So pen, pens. P-N, pen. P-N-S, pens. Because they are more than one in number. ये ज़्यादा है ना? तो ज़्यादा होते हैं तो we add S. Okay, so pens, and this is only one, so pen. Similarly, this is one, so ball. When there are more than one, balls. Balls. So this is the concept of one and many. Now open your page number 68. Here is the concept of one and more than one. So kids, it is very simple concept. Okay, see, here there is only one boy, boy, but here there are more than one. Okay, so boys, S. Okay, so we have to write boys because these are more than one in number. They are more than one in number. ये ज़्यादा है. So that is why we added S here. Boy, boys. One girl. So girl. More than one. Girls. S. Girls. Tree. Only one tree. Tree. Trees. See? S. Right? So the only difference is that you have to add S when there are more than one thing, person or animal. So you have to add more. If there is more than one thing, then you have to add S. So tree, trees. Bird, because only one bird, so bird. More than one, birds. Birds. Dog, only one dog, dogs. Two dogs are there, so dogs. Only single mat, mat. Two mats, more than one, so mats. M-A-T-S, mats. Similarly, this is one road, road. Two, when there is more than one, roads, roads. Lion, only one lion, lion. More than one, these are two, so lions, lions. Chair, chair. Only one chair is here, so chair. But if more than one, chairs, chairs. Okay, so kids, you have to keep in mind that if there is only one thing, then we will not add S. Okay, and when there are more than one thing or any person, then we will add s. Like only one, so boy, more than one, boys. Okay, similarly, you have to keep with you only one toy and lots of toys. So one toy is toy, and if you have 4 toy, then what we will say, that toys, toys. One pencil is only pencil, and more than one pencil is pencils. Now, let's read this page as well, page 69. So, more than one means many. See, one ball, because it is only one in number, many balls. So, here we replace one with many and ball with balls. राइट इधर हमने बॉल को बॉल्स बोला है और वन को मैनी, बिकॉज दीज आर मोर देन वन इन नंबर. सो वन बॉल, many balls. See, we added s here. We have to add s here. One flower, many flowers, many flowers. One tree, many trees. One apple, many apples. See, these are 3 in number, so many apples. One car, because it is only 1 in number, many cars. One cat, many cats. See, there are so many, so many cats. S. One table, many tables. Many tables are there, right? One bird, many birds. So this is the concept of one and many. So when there is only one object, then we say one. When there are many, we write many. Okay, and we replace the spelling with s. We add it with s because it is one. So we here s is not written, and they are more than one in number. So s is written over here. Similarly, one pencil, because it is only one, many pencils. So kids, you can do the activity at your home also. You can take one spoon, so that is one spoon, and in other hand take 3 spoons. That means those are spoons. So in one hand only take 1 spoon, and in other hand take 3 to 4 spoons. So do this activity: spoon, spoons, one spoon, many spoons. Okay. So the only difference is that when there are more than one in number, then we have to add s. We have to add s. This is the thing that you have to learn. So in concept of one and many, in many you have to add s at the end of the spelling. Okay, so this is the explanation of one and many, and now we will do the exercise. So kids, kindly write down the date at the top. Today is 19th. Which month is going on? October 2020. So very simple exercise, and this concept is also very easy. See, this is goat or goats. Are there many goats? No, only one. So this is goat, not goats. If there are more than one goat, then we will tick on the goats. Similarly, coin or coins, more than one in number, so coins. Houses or house. What is this? Houses or house? It is only a house. Girl or girls. This is girl, only one in number. So in the spelling there should not s at the end. Table, tables. So tables, because more than one in number, so we tick on the spelling having s at the end. Nest, nests. 1, 2, 3. So more than one, so we will tick on nests. Zebra, zebras. Is it zebra or zebras? If you look at the picture, are they one or more than one in number? They are more than one in number. So we will take on the spelling having s at the end. That means zebras. Tree or trees. Now the tree is only one in number. So we will tick on the spelling which will not have s at the end. So 3 only. Okay, now again put the date on the top, and you have to do this page as well. So 2 pages you have to do, kids. Only the difference is that in many things we will add S, and in only one thing we will not add S. Similarly, this is again a very simple exercise. Add S to make words that show many. Means you have to, you have to write the same spelling here, only you have to add S, because all the things, they are many in number. They are many. Okay. So for many, what we do, we will add S. So here it is kitten. Kitten. What is this? This is kitten. Now these are kittens. Okay. Simply write down. K-I-T-T-E-N-S. Kittens. Kitten, kittens. Next is apple. Apple. Now we will write here apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. Is it simple? Apple, apples, because they are more than one in number. See, the spelling is same. K-I-T-T-E-N, K-I-T-T-E-N. Only I add S here. Apple, apples. So this is very simple. Okay, you have to write the same spelling and then you have to add S, because to show many we will add S. Similarly, house, house. These are houses. So write down H-O-U-S-E-S. Bird, birds. So B-I-R-D-S. Okay, simple. Car, cars. So write down C-A-R-S. Cars. Cloud, clouds. C-L-O-U-D. Same spelling. Only I add S here. I have to add S because there are many clouds. One crayon, no S. Many crayons, so we have to add S only. Crayons. One boy, no S. Many boys, so B-O-Y. Same spelling. Now add S. Boys. Tree, trees. So T-R-E-E. Same. But to show many, we will add S. Trees. Is it so simple, right? So you watch the video twice and then you will able to understand the concept, kids. Very simple. Okay, so you just watch the video twice and then do these two pages. Page number 70 and page number 71. Okay, so do both these pages and share the work with me. Bye bye, kids. Take care and we will meet soon again. Bye.